Welcome to the $0 to $5 million Train the Trainer program designed for coaches. This program spans 3 days and involves interactive workshops, role-playing activities, and strategy sessions. The primary focus is on equipping coaches with skills to motivate business development representatives for achieving high-performance sales goals. The program aims to inspire and drive teams towards success and contribute to the growth and success of capital city construction. Coaches will learn effective techniques tailored to the company's unique environment. They will gain insights into specific sales strategies and techniques. Additionally, they will provide targeted guidance to BDRs by understanding the company's goals, values, and target market. Coaches will also be prepared to navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities with practical examples and case studies. In addition to sales strategies, the program underscores the significance of supporting the ongoing professional growth of BDRs. Coaches will explore mentorship approaches, performance evaluation, and skills development. They will nurture the talents and capabilities of team members for fostering a culture of excellence. Lastly, coaches will invest in continuous learning and development for long-term success and sustainability.